Hi, I'm Elizabeth with the EPB Energy Pros. Whether you own or rent your home, there are simple ways to save on energy costs this winter. Set your thermostat to 72 degrees and then move it down 1 degree at a time until you get to the lowest comfortable setting. Studies show that you can save up to 2 to 3% on your bill for every 1 degree you move it down. Hot air rises, so reverse the direction of your ceiling fans to recirculate warm air back down into the room. Adjust to the lowest speed to circulate warm air without causing a draft. And switch to energy-efficient LED light bulbs to get the same warm glow as standard incandescent bulbs and save up to $8 a month on your energy bill. EPB Energy Pros are here with even more tips, so schedule your free EPB Energy Pros consultation for energy-saving tips specific to your home today.